Still on the 2010 Volvo XC90 3.2 liter inline 6, straight 6. We're going to do spark plugs. It's got high mileage. They don't know if they've ever been done. Let me show you the plug that I'm using. They're right there. Hopefully you can read that. So this calls for high, I think it's high ignitability or something like that plug. That's what's recommended. That's what these are. I believe NGK, I believe they're the OEM manufacturer for them, but I'm not positive, so don't freak out if it's not that. But it does call for a high, I think it's high ignitability is what they call it. It's just this different type of plug. So that's what's going back in it. And we're just going to do plugs in this. We're going to, and Volvo recommends that you do the ignition coil boots when you do the plugs. So we're going to do that as well. Come on. These Volvo plugs are probably the original plugs. Way overdue. Service interval for these is 75,000 miles. That's what service data says. It's definitely worn. You can't probably see that, but the gap on this one is much, much bigger than this one because it's worn away. So these are definitely due. These do have a crush washer. Always start them by hand. you'll feel the crush washer kind of crush. And then just a little more. You don't need a lot. It's probably 15 pounds, maybe at most. You don't want them loose, but more often than not, people over tighten them and it causes problems. New springs too, so take the spring out of this. Old spring, got a new spring for it. New springs down in there. Probably should have held that off. Got a new seal for up here too. Seal. Back in. We're going to repeat that process for every one of them. Nothing much to see, but just going to go through and do them all. Got them all. New boots on the coils. They're all in. You're just going to snug them up. Don't crush them. Snug them up. Where's my connector? All right, so. All right, that's it. All back together, go start it up, make sure it's okay. That's pretty much it. Not hard, pretty simple job to do. Basic maintenance. That's it for placing the spark plugs on a 2010 Volvo XC90 with 3.2 liter 6-cylinder. Not bad at all. It really needs, a couple of these cylinders have a fair amount of oil in the spark plug tube well. It needs new seals, I'm sure. I don't know what's involved in pulling that valve cover off of there and putting new seals in, but we'll look into that. We'll probably have to do that, but pretty easy job. Not hard, just basic maintenance. If you need to do this for your Volvo, I hope it helps you out. If you like the videos, click the like and subscribe below. Thanks for watching.